Hey, Darren, we're drowning in work out there. We have a lot of stuff we need to get done and very little mechanics. You think we can try to get some help in here?
So I don't know how we find that guy, right? Who's curious and wants to just learn the craft, learn a
Yeah.
trade, right?
Yeah, see, I think we're making it easy because we're providing toolboxes with tools, right? So some guys don't have tools, man, we give them a toolbox with, they're not the best tools in the world, but you can definitely get started here and start working on stuff, right? The whole I don't have a tools excuse is not there, right? So we give you a toolbox, you work on it, and man, you're here for a couple years, that thing pretty much becomes yours, right? I tell guys like, okay, so then you don't have very much experience. Hey, just come get. So I'm gonna give you this task right here. Do this ABC, and then come get me. Unfortunately, I know a lot of these guys. I think the whole like you need to know all this stuff, and you need to prove to me like that you know that you're a good mechanic. It's not even there. Like we're not even expecting that, but somehow I know they want to show me that they can do more, this and that, whatever. And then when I get back there, they've done way more. And then they've
That
skipped
you didn't want them
that
to
I
do.
didn't want them to
You
do.
want
Just
them
so I'm trying to make it really easy for the guys that come work for us to like just be able to learn a new trade.